want to be the coconut to my macaroon. It's coconut macaroons, people. Just because we're on lockdown doesn't mean you can't make something amazing, and that something amazing can be extremely simple. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss this. So we're back. Thanks for joining me again today. I hope you enjoyed my 3 easy desserts series. I decided to put an end to that because there's really nothing else I could do with that. So thank you everyone who commented and suggested on things to make. I tried to hit all the bases. Of course, if there's anything else you want to see, go ahead, leave some comments below because I'm always open to suggestions. Before we get started, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button and hit that subscribe button so you can come back every week and see what I post for you guys. So today, coconut macaroons, extremely simple. Literally like 3 ingredients, so I'm pretty sure everybody can make this. There's no excuses, people. So let's get started. To get started, I've lined a cookie sheet with some parchment paper and preheated my oven to 325 degrees. Now in a large bowl, I've got a 14-ounce bag of shredded sweetened coconut, and I'm gonna add a can of sweetened condensed milk. That's about 1 cup here, with a teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt. Just fold out that together with a rubber spatula. And then once that is nicely combined, you're going to set that aside and we're going to beat our egg whites. Now these are 2 large room temperature egg whites. I am doing this by hand. If you want to use a mixer, that's totally fine. And once your egg whites are at stiff peaks like this, you're going to dump them into the rest of the coconut mixture and gently fold to combine and lighten this mixture up so it's like a dream in a cloud and something you always wanted to have in your life, right? So now I'm going to use my 1.5-inch cookie scoop and just scoop all of my macaroons onto the pan until I've basically used all of the mixture. Don't want to waste any, right? So once these are scooped on your pan, you don't really need to give them much space. Just bake them at 325 for 20 to 25 minutes until they are golden brown. And after they've cooled completely, if you want to dip them in some melted chocolate, I would strongly suggest it because it just takes them to the next level. And there you have it, my friends, easy and delicious. Voila! I told you these were easy and seriously impressive and delicious. You have no reason not to make these, for real. The link with the recipe is in the description below, so go check that out. Once again, hit the thumbs up button and the subscribe button so you can join me every week with amazing recipes and delicious things to make your day a little bit better. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.